This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles quick. To start, grab your favorite store-bought waffle mix. This is the fastest route to deliciousness. If you prefer, you can pre-measure your dry ingredients like 1 1/2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder into a jar. This saves valuable time when you are ready to cook. Next, let's gather our essential tools. A good waffle iron is key. Make sure it's clean and ready to go. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and a whisk or spatula for combining your ingredients. Don't forget to preheat your waffle iron for at least 5 minutes before adding any batter. This ensures even cooking and a perfectly crispy exterior every time. Now for the fun part, mixing and cooking. Combine your wet ingredients, like 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, with your dry mix. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto your preheated waffle iron. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Finally, it's time to enjoy your quick and delicious waffles. Serve them hot off the iron for that perfect crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside texture. Get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a drizzle of warm maple syrup, or even a scoop of ice cream. If you have any leftovers, they store well and can be easily reheated in a toaster for a quick breakfast later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.